With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. We apply isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We use premium red adhesive roll for mobile devices. We connect the battery flex. Now we return with the assembly process. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the assembly process.